And good day, creators. How you guys doing today? Well, today we are going to be doing glue. Yep, I'm taking us back to grade school, people. We're doing homemade glue. We have 4 cups of water, 12 tablespoons of flour. You can just use any flour. This is just what I had. 20 tablespoons. Yes, guys, I'm doing tablespoons. I'm sorry. 20 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of any type of mouthwash like Listerine, and of course a whisk. You will want to do this on low settings and keep stirring. And watch out with the baking soda and the vinegar. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this. I hope you guys enjoy the song. And I'll see you at the end when I show you the results. See you guys in the next clip. Welcome back, creators. So it has been exactly 15 days since I have made the whole wheat glue. I did do a little fast test. Sorry guys, my cats are going to be in the way. No matter what I've done, they're going to be in here. But I did a fast test just to see what was going to happen within this time period. I am going to go along with you guys and glue something. But, I mean, we all like to see the end product before we watch the video, right? So yeah, so that's kind of why I wanted to do this. As you can see, it has not molded, it has not done anything. This is actually pretty good on there. As you can see, and that's, hi, if you guys see this is Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Hi, baby. I know. So that's pretty good on there. This is also just another piece of cardboard, and that's pretty, I mean, I'm pushing it pretty good. As you can see, the red in my fingers there. So that's same thickness. And this is just a piece of magazine. As you can see, it does a really good job. So I mean, and that's just a regular everyday twist tie. The mixture did come up to be about 4 cups. Please be warned, this expands, and depending on what type of mouthwash you use, it really stinks. I mean, really, like, stinky. I mean, watch this. Let's see. Oh, well, you didn't do it. I didn't give it long enough. But, yeah, it actually will make it sound like it's a real soda. So do watch out when you fill these. I want to go more than this if you're going to fill that up. So definitely have extra. So, yeah, so that's really great. And let's go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the back of this. And as you can see, it does have a really cool texture, so if you're wanting to use this for like a terrain or something, it's usable. So if you have nothing else but whole wheat, you know you can do it. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this is just your ingredients. You're going to find this down below. But like I said, it's been about 15 days exactly. It's pretty much about the same time period in the day. So see how that just popped? And look at that. Look at that ooze. If you guys make slime, I guess this would be perfect. This has not been refrigerated. So as you can see, it's just slime. And that's clean. Well, not clean, but you know what I mean. So let me go ahead and clean this up, and I'll be right back. Look at that ooze. Alright, so let's go ahead and just start this little guy. Go ahead and fast forward this for you. Come on, you guys know me. I'm getting my hands dirty. And as you can see, it's smooth. And if you get too much, you just scrape it off and it's pretty easy. And that should dry pretty much just like that. But much cleaner since, you know, I didn't go crazy. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I mean, it's pretty easy. The exploded a little bit too much, or I bring back the ingredients, but you guys can find that all down below. So if you have anything healthy wise, you know, you guys can go ahead and still make something and still have fun. And who knows, maybe you might be able to make some goo. You know, it's the phase now. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting.